Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have the 2009 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to change the cabin air filter. So stick around and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing you want to do is go in here and take the glove compartment and drop it down. On this side here, you can actually get in there, put something underneath here, pull it out, push the glove compartment in a little bit, pull this out. This should come right out. You got to push the glove compartment in far enough. My hands are pretty big. Smaller hands would work a lot easier. See, now with this side, I can get in there and pull, and just pull this right on out. Get the camera down in here, and it slides right out. As you can see, my hands are pretty big, and my arms. So I got to push this glove compartment up in there pretty far to get this to come out. I'm in here with a screwdriver. And now your glove compartment will fall straight down. It'll still be hooked to the hinges. You can actually take the glove compartment off by taking these little tabs out, but we don't need to do that. Now with the glove compartment way down at the bottom, out of the way, we have better access to this plate right here. It's got these two little tabs you just squeeze in and pull. And this comes off. Now I've already taken my filter out because it took me a while to get it out, and I'll show you why. As you can see, I've already cleaned out the filter compartment, and this is actually the filter that came out of that compartment. It was totally trashed with debris. I got my air cabin filter just sitting there just to show you what it looks like. It's got the arrow of airflow, and actually that is the way that the filter will go in. I will just turn it sideways because my air flows from the top to the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around and push it in there. Okay, the filter's up in there. Here's the door to it, and as you can see on the end, it's got that little indentation on it, and that will go up into a spot up here. It's made for it, and then you just push that in place. Now I'll go ahead and put the glove compartment back together. Now we'll go ahead and pull this back up, and I'll snap this right here back in place, right on top of that. Now I'll go ahead and put the latches back on the glove compartment like this here. All you gotta do is just push it up where it needs to be. Put your hand in there and just shove this in there. Just make sure the glove compartment is closed quite a bit. Pop it in there like so. And just push it. And there you go. Slide this in like so. And just push it like that. And watch. I can pull on the glove compartment and that snaps right in place. And there you go. Glove compartment's back together. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.